So today I'm trying to let them out for a little loft fly. It's not gonna be loft fly, just kind of give them the experience that how they can go for a loft fly. So I open this aviary little door, and all six little old but still young birds are into the aviary, and I'm hoping that they figure it out. I don't want to push them because I don't want to scare them to go sit on somebody else's house or something. So yeah, we will do it slowly. Every day is a learning phase for them, because once they figure this out, I'm gonna let them out pretty much every day. So yeah, let's see. I have opened my trap already, so just in case they go and sit on the landing board, they don't know what to do right now, so they'll figure it out. It's a nice sunny day for letting them out. Okay, perfect. First one. Second. Hello. Third. Okay, wow. To be frank, I was expecting these two to go out first. Let's see if they go straight in or they explore more. Okay, this guy's gonna go to them. Come on, buddy, you can go out too. To the side of the aviary to explore more. Okay, I think. Okay, perfect. Okay, only one. That grizzle bird left. Still there. I think still trying to get the courage to go out. Here is our grizzle. Okay, all six of them are here. See, they're sitting near my Turnsloft sign. Okay, now all six of them are out. So let's see what they do. Okay. See? That grizzle was the one taking forever to come out of the aviary, and now he's the first one to go sit on top of my loft. See, you can see that? I think the others gonna follow him too. They're trying to. Okay, let's see. Okay, they're trying to go on top of the loft. Oh, wait, this one. I have to see. Okay, sitting on the shed. Okay, another one on the loft. Okay, third one on the loft. Okay, they are going to the fence. They are staying nearby, so that's good. Okay, only 4 of them are on this shed. Come on! Come on! Come on! Okay. Wow, okay. I wasn't expecting this today. They are getting strong on their wings. I think it's been 15-20 minutes, or maybe almost in half an hour. So right about now they should come down and go in. I've already put some feed inside. I'm not gonna push them or anything to go inside right now. See where they are. There they are. Either these two will go to them or they will go to them. Okay, all of them are on top of my shed. So they are all sitting there. See, here they are. Okay, here they are, all sitting near the landing board. Hopefully they start going in. They're just enjoying the sunlight. See, they're just sitting on the landing board. I think they are going in now. Come on! Only 4 of you are left. Okay, 3 are in. 3 to go. I had to push everyone today. Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. I'm going inside now.